Disclaimer, this video is definitely not a tutorial. It was trying to be a tutorial, but I just realized that what I was doing is extremely difficult, so it's mostly just me struggling to make a 3x3. This right here is a 2x2, except something's different about it. The color scheme is completely off. This right here is a 3x3. This right here is a 4x4. They have normal color schemes. I'm going to make these two cubes just like this 2x2 with the offset color scheme. Why am I doing this? You're going to see later. So the first step to this is to go take the white, green, and red. You're going to leave these faces alone. You're going to take the blue, orange, and yellow corners and do a counterclockwise corner twist. This will serve as a guide for where you need to put the colors. Same thing on this 4x4. It's a little bit harder to do on a 4x4, but just corner twist it, and we are good to go. So if you're serious about doing this, here's what you need to do. Take all the caps off. You're gonna put them where they now belong. You're gonna do what we did with the edges. You're gonna make sure that the corner pops off. Now that you're here, you're gonna take this piece and move it right. You're gonna leave this piece out for right now. Then, like what we did earlier, we're gonna take this piece and move it right here. Wait, I'm confused now. What happened here? So now this piece needs to move right here. Next, you need to make a white and a yellow piece. You will do this by ripping the edge pieces apart and then putting the edge pieces back together to their new colors and placing them in. You will then get confused about how you have another red and blue piece and what pieces are missing. Then your camera has to die because what's the point of that thing? So your next step is to create a white, red, and orange corner piece. This piece will go right here. You will then remove this piece as you need to switch this around, so make it like that. Then you need another orange piece. This tutorial is so confusing. How did I get here? What's this doing here? This piece is supposed to be green and blue. Red and orange go together. Replace this orange with this blue. Make sure that you are looking at how the corner piece is going to go in so that you don't mess things up with the wrong color scheme, which is ironic because we're intentionally making the color scheme wrong. Lastly, put in the blue piece like this, and obviously keep the orange piece on it. Now you have 3 pieces that need to be swapped. Put the yellow, white, and green piece together. Put the white, yellow, and orange piece together now. Put the red, green, and blue piece together. And put the 3x3 together. And just like that, you now have an off color scheme 3x3. As always, remember to join the Patreon. There are courses available there, and I do exclusive giveaways on my Patreon as well. So if you want cubes or merch delivered to you for free, highly recommend joining the Patreon. Also, maybe check out another video. I know you enjoyed this one.